Hello everyone, this is Sylvia. Today I'm going to tell you how to install your MATLAB. So open your Google and click download MATLAB first. And you can see there are many relevant websites. And you can find the MATLAB's logo. Maybe you could just click one of them. And you can see here, MATLAB will offer you a 30 days trial, free trial. Fortunately, if you coming from a university, you can just log in your school's your new account. Then you can get the free license during your whole study. Here, I try to connect my school account to the MATLAB, and I obtained a MATLAB account. I click the No, and I search a topic about deep learning, which I will be interested. Then I click the Submit. Click Install MATLAB. And here comes to the next page. Here it gives you the released versions. And I choose to install the 2024 version. If you are using other systems, you can choose it here. And click Download. Then it takes about 2 minutes, I guess. Then I could download this item. This is the download item. Please note it may take you several gigs, so please place it in a good position before run out of your memory. Double-clicking this item, you could unzip it. After the unzip, you'll start your install. As I mentioned, in order to not running out of my memory, I change the folder, and then I can click the next step. Then I will choose the toolbox that I needed, such as the toolbox about the deep learning softwares, about the optimization, curve fitting. But you do not need to worry because it's very easy to add the supplement toolbox in the later use. So just click the next step. Here it shows you how large the space is needed, 5G. So it's okay for me. So I click the start installation. I have speed up this record, but it will take you about 5 minutes. It's okay for me. And after the installation, you can just close this window. Then go back to your desk, and it should be placed around the recent edit. If not, you can just search it. MATLAB 2024. You can see it has been installed successfully. Then I double click it. Normally, when you first use it, it will take you about 2 minutes to configure it. So do not worry. And in your second use and the following use, it should be very soon. You can see because I have already used it, it will load my previous files into this version. But for you, it's just like a blank window. And for the toolbox, it will be shown in the apps. You can see the added toolbox like the curve fitting, optimization, and the deep learning toolbox. It should be all on here. So congratulations, you have already downloaded your MATLAB. and you can use it in the following study.